the format and the difference in teaching styles from yourself to Chris. They complemented each other famously.
And it's not just equities, you can actually learn about indices, commodities, forex, and any other instruments that you were thinking of doing.
Coming from a property background, I felt that there was a lot of things that actually translated from having an investment portfolio into the share trading. Once I realised that share trading was 80% psychological rather than mechanical, which is the bit that I didn't actually have. Once I understood it was psychological, then I could see how much of the property investing could translate into share trading. I'd felt like I'd actually walked partly down that path of the whole mindset thing already with the property background. The mentor program just gave me the actual tools in order to actually be able to trade.
A hell of a lot, and I know it. A hell of a lot. I've always known that I've been one of the sheep out there following everybody else. I've been looking for something which would give me the freedom that I wanted, the freedom that everybody looks for but doesn't quite know how to get, and I think I've found it. I think I've found it.
I think the difference it's made to my relationship initially has been fantastic, so that's already been significant. But I do have a real sense of freedom now. I had a fear before that I wasn't able to have financial control for myself, and now that's the difference it's going to make, because I feel like I can move forward and not worry about that at all.
The big difference I've noticed is with my husband's and my relationship is that our monetary decisions are now much more equal. He's right behind me doing this, and even though I've been doing some trading, he has every confidence in me because of the mentor program going forward. In fact, just before I registered last year, he was made redundant, and so I thought, how am I going to tell him that this is what I want to do and commit this money? And the moment I told him, he said, go for it, you've always been interested, this is something I think you can do well. So he's been supportive from the word go.
And the support that you actually get through the mentor program has just been outstanding. Chris and Louise there have always answered all your questions. There's never a dumb question. And because of their wealth of knowledge and their experience, there probably isn't a question that they can't answer. Well, not that I've encountered anyway.
Do the mentor program, because if you want to be a top athlete, you need a top coach. If you want to be a top trader, you need to be trained by top traders, and this is the place to be.
Just do it. Just do it. The return on your investment will far outweigh your expectations.
I can already see that the tools that I have learned will generate much more money, more than the actual cost of the actual doing the mentor program to start with. I can already see that.
If you're really serious about trading, if you're really serious about being successful as a trader, this is the way to go.